Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 5 minus 10 power 2 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I'll take this minus 10 square to other side. So x power 5 is equals to 10 square. Now I am taking power 5 on both sides. So with the help of the exponent rule, x power m power n, that is equals to x power mn, we can write it as x power 5 x power 5 is equals to 10 power 2 times 5 is 10. Again, we are going to use this exponent rule and we can write it as x power 5 and whole power is x power 5 is equals to 10 power 10. Now on comparing both sides, we can say that x power 5 is equals to 10. Now we have to find the value of x, so we'll take power 1 by 5 on both sides. So x power 5 power 1 by 5 is equals to 10 power 1 by 5. So if we are using this rule again, so we can write it as x power 5 times 1 by 5 is equals to 10 power 1 by 5. So we can eliminate this 5. So x is equals to 10 power 1 by 5. So the value of x is 10 power 1 by 5. I hope it's clear and easy to solve. If you find it useful, please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.